Solving communication problems in relationships. Identifying communication barriers in relationships is crucial for fostering understanding and closeness. Common obstacles include lack of openness, differing communication styles, and unresolved past issues. Addressing these barriers early can prevent misunderstandings and strengthen the bond between partners. Active listening is more than just hearing words, it's about fully understanding your partner's perspective. This skill involves paying attention, withholding judgment, and providing feedback that shows comprehension. By practicing active listening, couples can resolve misunderstandings more effectively, enhancing their connection. Empathy plays a pivotal role in relationship communication by allowing partners to see from each other's viewpoints. It involves feeling what the other person feels and responding with compassion. This emotional sharing can bridge gaps and foster a deeper sense of unity. Conflict is inevitable in partnerships, but the key to resolution lies in effective techniques. These include staying calm, focusing on the issue at hand, and seeking compromise. When handled constructively, conflicts can lead to growth and a stronger relationship foundation. Nonverbal communication, like body language and facial expressions, adds depth to interactions in love. Understanding these silent messages can sometimes be complex, but is essential for conveying feelings and intentions. Being attuned to your partner's nonverbal cues enhances emotional connection and understanding. Constructive criticism is a cornerstone of healthy relationships, fostering growth and understanding. It differs from destructive criticism by focusing on solutions and encouragement rather than blame. Mastering this art requires empathy, precise language, and timing, ultimately strengthening the bond between partners. The timing of communication plays a pivotal role in relationships. A well-timed conversation can pave the way for openness and understanding, while poor timing may lead to conflict and misunderstanding. Recognizing the right moment for discussions is key to maintaining harmony. Overcoming the fear of vulnerability is essential for deeper connections. By allowing ourselves to be vulnerable, we invite our partners into our inner world, fostering intimacy and trust. This bravery in showing our true selves can transform relationships, making them richer and more authentic. Setting healthy boundaries through clear communication is vital for any relationship. Boundaries help individuals feel respected and safe, allowing for a healthy balance between togetherness and individuality. Clear communication about these boundaries ensures that both partners understand and respect each other's needs. The power of apologies and forgiveness cannot be overstated in healing relationships. A sincere apology shows acknowledgement of wrongdoing and a willingness to make amends. Forgiveness, on the other hand, releases resentment, allowing the relationship to move forward from past hurts. Utilizing technology in long-distance relationships bridges the gap between hearts miles apart. Video calls, instant messaging, and shared online activities offer a semblance of presence, making each moment special. These tools keep the flame of love burning brightly, despite physical separation. Recognizing and adjusting to communication style differences is essential for harmony. Some partners express love through words, while others through actions. Understanding and respecting these differences fosters a deeper connection, allowing each individual to feel valued and understood in their unique language. Stress often acts as a silent saboteur in relationships, distorting communication and breeding misunderstandings. Addressing stressors together and finding healthy coping mechanisms can shield the relationship from unnecessary strain, ensuring that love, not stress, dictates the pace and path of the connection. Decoding the silent treatment requires patience and insight. This form of non-communication can stem from hurt, confusion, or a need for space. Approaching it with empathy and a willingness to listen can unravel the silence, paving the way for constructive dialogue. Balancing independence and intimacy is a delicate dance. Communication plays a pivotal role in maintaining this balance, allowing partners to enjoy personal growth and shared experiences. It's about giving each other space to be individuals while weaving a strong bond of togetherness. Cultivating trust in relationships hinges on the foundation of transparency and honesty. When partners openly share their thoughts, feelings, and intentions without hiding or manipulating facts, it fosters a deep sense of security and trust, essential for a lasting bond. The art of compromise is not about losing but finding common ground where both parties feel heard and respected. This skill involves understanding each other's perspectives, making adjustments, and sometimes agreeing to disagree, all of which strengthen the relationship's resilience. Regular check-ins are a proactive approach to maintaining a healthy relationship. By dedicating time to discuss each other's feelings, experiences, and concerns, couples can prevent misunderstandings and ensure that small issues don't escalate into larger problems. Creating a positive communication climate goes beyond mere words, it's about the atmosphere that surrounds interactions. When partners approach conversations with kindness, understanding, and respect, they create an environment where love and connection flourish, despite the challenges. Active encouragement and support act as the glue that holds relationships together. When partners recognize and affirm each other's efforts and achievements, it not only boosts their confidence but also deepens the emotional connection, making the relationship more resilient in the face of adversity. Rebuilding communication post-conflict requires patience and a willingness to understand each other's perspectives. Strategies such as openly discussing feelings, actively listening, and acknowledging hurt can help break down walls, fostering a stronger, more resilient relationship foundation. Creating a shared vision through goal setting and future planning together can significantly strengthen a partnership. This process encourages collaboration and ensures both partners are aligned with their aspirations and dreams, enhancing unity and mutual respect in the relationship.